Kumar, AVP, Bullion Business Federal Bank Limited. Federal Bank is a South Indian based bank with deep roots across India, particularly in South India. They have good presence in gold metal loan, and recently they ventured into bullion business. So good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah, welcome to IGC. Thank you, sir. Can you just brief about Federal Bank's business portfolio, business in terms of gold metal loan and a newly ventured bullion business?
Yeah, so Federal Bank, as we know, we have been a regional bank, but not anymore. We have expanded our reach to across Pan India, and slowly we are. So we started with bullion, specifically gold metal loan, since 2017, and slowly after getting experience, we are now reaching out to other geographies. We are offering these services currently in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka as well, and we are pretty much gradually we are building, not that much bullish, but we are taking a very selective calls on the rated companies, and we are acting on our infrastructure and facilities to onboard more and more clients and be a significant player in this industry. Yeah.
You know, the gold metal loan is highly competitive with a lot of bankers in this. How do you manage to navigate this competitive?
Differentiation or differentiating factor among different banks is the kind of service you give, how quick you provide the services. That's all matter. Now the gone are the days where the bank who is offering the lowest pricing, they will get the. Now there are other factors like servicing and all. So the clients which we have in our banking with us, they are niche and not only sensitive about the interest rate but also the service part.
How about your newly launched bullion business, sir?
Yeah, so we have been doing gold metal loan. We are expanding that business now with recent enabler by Reserve Bank of India. They have allowed nominated banks like Federal Bank and all other banks. They can also venture into become a special category client of IIBX. Yes, and also Federal Bank being one of the first bank who has opened office in IBU. We have our branch at GIFT, and they are also we are planning to enroll for the trading cum clearing member, and we are working on that project also, and very soon we will be live on that.
So basically, you want to leverage on a gold metal loan customer base for a bullion business?
Yes, exactly. We are looking for, see, the benefit which we have, or the advantage you can say is being headquartered at Kerala, and being Thrissur being the center for all the jewelers, we have a very good connect, and definitely we will bring this the portfolio at a bigger height.
And also, we learned that Federal Bank has a separate SPV for handling their.
Yeah, we have an NBFC arm.
NBFC arm,
Yeah.
particularly for this gold
Yeah,
loans.
Fed Bank. Yeah,
Fed
Fed
Bank.
Bank Financial. That is there, and it's the kind of expectation we had, and it's on the job only.
Federal Bank has performed excellently well in this,
See,
in the NBFC segment.
correct, definitely. So, see, the fundamental motive or the ideology of the bank is to become a most admired bank, and not run behind the profitability alone. Yeah, so that's the vision. And
So where do you see the space in this gold loans, or loan against jewelry or gold?
yeah.
Now banks are increasing their shares considerably from the NBFCs. That's what data shows that. And unorganized also becoming formalized sector now. Where do you see these banks like Federal Banks in the space to grow?
Yeah, so
Given the highest interest rate regime,
Understood.
the cost of funds is also under pressure for the banks. So how do you manage to navigate these crises? On NBFC on one side and unorganized players on one side, and banking itself on one side, and tech players are coming on the other side.
So if you see the industry structure, still the organized and unorganized, it is almost 60-40 percentage. So the organized player have a space of 60% to cover, and that's a big opportunity for every player, irrespective whether it's a bank, NBFC, or a fintech. So we are also very positive about this sector. If we see our Federal Bank portfolio, we have been consistently growing this book on a year-on-year basis, and we on an industry projection, we see that going forward in a 5 years time, this coverage of organized sector will be
more.
almost 50, more than 50%.
50%.
Yes, so that is our prediction, and we see a lot of opportunities for each the player, and we are working on that.